Shalom. This week's Sedra is Sedra's Naso. Wikispaces has overtaken the internet. A wiki is a piece of server software that allows users to freely create and edit web page content. Like many simple concepts, open editing has some profound and subtle effects on wiki usage. Allowing everyday users to create and edit any page in a website is exciting in that it encourages democratic use of the web. The ability to add to the information on the web is a challenge to web users everywhere. The ability to add to existing blessings is man's greatest task in this world. We are placed in this world to improve it. One person's name in this week's Sedra reflects the idea of improving on the blessings in this world. The name and the idea it teaches will be examined in this Devar Torah. This Devar Torah aims to inspire its viewers to improve on the blessings found within them. It is a well-known explanation of why God created man uncircumcised, only commanded that he be circumcised. The author of the Sefer HaChinuch stated that humans weren't placed on a perfect world as perfect beings. Humans were placed in an imperfect world as imperfect beings, and charged to spend our lives improving ourselves and the world around us. God designed the world to be a place of growth. In our Sedra, the leaders of the people, called the Nesiim, each bring gifts for the tabernacle. Each of these donors were leaders of the tribes. While the gifts were generous and fitting, the most impressive feature of the leaders' gifts was that each one gave the exact same gift. There wasn't any leader that tried to outdo his colleague with a more extravagant gift. What makes their unity even more impressive is that they knew that their gifts were to be recorded for eternity in the Torah. The desire to eternally shine must have been enticing to these men, and yet for the sake of unity they banded together. One of these leaders was the Nasi of the tribe of Gad, Eliasaph the son of Duel. Eliasaph gave his gift on the sixth day. The Or HaChaim quotes our sages who teach a homiletical lesson based on Eliasaph's name. They say that the land of Sichon and Og on the eastern side of the Jordan River, and which the tribe of Gad was to take as their territory, wasn't part of the original gift that Hashem gave to Avram, and hence to the Jewish people. The borders of Israel have specific borders, and this land wasn't within them. Therefore, the leader of God is called Eliasaph, because he added, Hosef, a play on his name, to Hashem's gift, and Hashem agreed with their addition. Eliasaph's name reflects the idea that the world is ours to perfect. Hashem gives us many gifts, but the world is presented to us as a challenge to improve it. We should leave this world in a better shape than we came into it. This is both an individual challenge to each and every person, and a societal challenge to our community, and that every community must meet. Just as a wiki page is designed for users to improve, the world is designed to be improved by its users. Shabbat Shalom.